Today's defense news, the highlights. Bharat Forge launches advanced facility to revolutionize indigenous artillery production. IISc-Bangalore develops innovative bacteria-based technique to repair space bricks. US company Metrea wins Indian Air Force contract for aerial refueling solutions. Dynamatic Technologies outsources critical Tejas LCA front fuselage composite work to specialist Azista Composites, acknowledging capability gap. Hanwha Aerospace signs $253 million deal to export K9 howitzer to India. The global highlights: Japan develops new missiles designed to repel invasion. DARPA enlists 18 firms to accelerate quantum computing breakthroughs. And BAE Systems secures Colombian Navy contract for Bofors 40 Mk4 naval gun system. A look at the news in detail. Bharat Forge has inaugurated a state-of-the-art defense manufacturing facility spanning 300,000 square feet in Jejuri near Pune. This advanced facility is designed with a flexible multimodal layout and integrated testing capabilities, making it a cornerstone for the production of indigenous artillery systems and specialized defense vehicles. The facility will focus on producing the ATAGS, an indigenously developed 155 howitzer created in collaboration with DRDO. These systems are expected to significantly bolster India's artillery capabilities. Researchers have developed a method using bacteria to repair bricks used to build structures on the moon that can develop cracks due to the widely swinging temperatures on the lunar surface. A team of researchers from the IISc-Bangalore said future explorations of the moon are no longer planned as flyby missions, instead involve setting up permanent habitat, for example, the NASA's Artemis missions. However, the lunar environment is extremely harsh. Temperatures can swing from 121 degrees Celsius to 133 degrees Celsius in a single day, and the moon is also constantly hit by solar winds and meteorites. Bricks exposed to such an environment can develop cracks, which can weaken the structures built using them. In a research paper published in the journal Frontiers in Space Technologies, the authors described the defects were artificially created in bricks into which a slurry made of Sporosarcina pasteurii bacteria, guar gum, and a lunar soil-like material was poured. The bacteria can decompose urea in the environment to convert it into carbonate and ammonia. Calcium in the bricks can react with carbonate to form calcium carbonate, which along with guar gum serves as both a filler and a cementing agent, thereby repairing the cracks. They also found that the reinforced bricks were able to withstand temperatures ranging from 100 to 175 degrees Celsius. The team is also working on a proposal to send samples of the bacteria aboard India's Gaganyaan mission to study its behavior in microgravity. An air-to-air refueling contract was awarded to the American company Metrea by the Air Force on 31st of March. Metrea is a military contractor based in Washington that provides air logistics and surveillance, electronic and cyber warfare services support to militaries in US, Canada, NATO, and allied countries. Metrea's fleet now stands at 18 tankers made up of KC-135RS, KC-135RGs, and C-135FRs, making it the largest commercial aerial refueling fleet in the world. The fleet refueler aircraft will be based out of the Air Force Station Agra. Metrea's tankers are equipped with wing-mounted multi-point refueling systems (MPRS) pods, enabling them to support probe-equipped aircraft from naval, marine, and allied forces. The contract with India builds on Metrea's existing partnership with the US Navy and other allied air forces. This marks India's first wet lease of flight refueling aircraft, addressing operational challenges faced by its existing Soviet-era Illusion Tu-78 Mk1 tankers, which have struggled with maintenance and serviceability issues. The deal is expected to enhance AAR training capabilities for Indian pilots, improving readiness and operational flexibility. Dynamatic Technologies, a key supplier for Tejas Light Combat Aircraft LCA program, has outsourced the production of composite materials for the aircraft's front fuselage to Azista Composites. This decision highlights a strategic move to address a capability gap in manufacturing advanced composite parts, which require specialized expertise and infrastructure. Azista Composites, based in Hyderabad, specializes in lightweight, high-strength composite components. By leveraging Azista's expertise, Dynamatic ensures the Tejas program benefits from cutting-edge materials without delays. The use of composites such as carbon fiber reinforced polymers enhances the aircraft's performance by reducing weight and improving stealth characteristics. Hanwha Aerospace has secured a $370 billion contract to deliver 100 additional units of the K9 self-propelled howitzer to India. According to Hanwha, the company will supply components for the K9 howitzer to Larsen & Toubro to produce the locally modified version of the land weapons named the K9 Vajra T self-propelled howitzer. The arms deal followed the successful delivery of an initial 100 units ordered in 2017, with delivery completed in 2020. Under a licensing agreement, then, Larsen & Toubro assembled the final products in India with about 50% of the production materials sourced locally. The new contract aims to increase the figure to 60%, according to Hanwha Aerospace. Hanwha Aerospace noted that the K9 Vajra T has proven its exceptional capabilities across India's challenging terrain with its advanced 155 mm 52 caliber gun system, adding that the artillery gun can fire accurately at long ranges while maintaining a high rate of fire in both burst and sustained modes. In the global news, Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries has clinched a deal to develop new long-range precision-guided missiles in a 32 billion yen contract for the Japan Self-Defense Force. The contract with MHI to develop new ground-to-ground and ground-to-ship precision-guided missiles will last until 2028. The ministry expects the new missiles to be completed in 2032. The missiles will be used to prevent and eliminate invading troops. The long-range missiles could target vulnerable parts of ships and traverse Japan's mountainous terrains to hit land-based targets with particularly high accuracy. Japan has allocated approximately 939 billion yen for standoff defense capabilities. The budget includes allocations for Type 12 surface-to-ship missiles for 16 billion yen, submarine-launched guided missiles for 3 billion yen, and high-velocity gliding missiles for island defense for 29 billion yen. Japan also plans to acquire Joint Strike Missiles to be installed on its F-35As and Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile for its upgraded F-15 aircraft. Now some news from DARPA. DARPA's Quantum Benchmarking Initiative (QBI) has recently expanded to include 18 companies from around the world. This program aims to evaluate and validate the feasibility of building utility-scale quantum computers, systems where the computational value exceeds the cost by 2033. The initiative is structured in 3 stages. Stage A: describe a utility-scale quantum computer concept that has a plausible path to realization in the near term. Stage B: describe a research and development plan capable of realizing the utility-scale quantum computer, the risk associated with that plan, and the planned risk mitigation steps and the prototypes needed to burn down these risks. Stage C: work with the government to verify and validate that their utility-scale quantum computer concept can be constructed as designed and operated as intended. The 18 companies selected for DARPA's Quantum Benchmarking Initiative include a mix of established players and innovative startups. Let's see the list of those 18 participants. Microsoft, PSI Quantum, IBM, Hewlett-Packard, Rigetti Computing, IonQ, Alice and Bob, which is a US-French joint venture, Xanadu Quantum Technologies, D-Wave Systems, Quantum Circuits, Q control, silicon quantum computing, cold quanta, atom computing, quantum motion, photonic, Cambridge quantum, and quantum brilliance. These companies represent diverse approaches to quantum computing, including superconducting circuits, trapped ions, photonics, and silicon spin qubits. Now, some news from the European industry. BAE Systems has received a contract from Daman Naval for a Bofors 40 Mk4 naval gun system to be installed for anti-aircraft and anti-surface operations on the PES frigate of the Colombian Navy, a Daman Naval Sigma-class ship. The Sigma class is a Dutch-built family of modular naval vessels of either corvette or frigate size designed by Daman Group. The gun is scheduled to be installed on the PES frigate in 2029. With more than 70 systems sold to 8 countries since 2015, Colombia is the second Latin American customer to adopt the highly versatile and multi-target naval gun. Brazil also selected the Bofors 40 Mk4 as their standard primary gun system for small to medium-sized vessels. A word about the Bofors 40 Mk4. The Bofors 40 Mk4 is a compact and lightweight naval gun system designed for anti-aircraft and anti-surface warfare operations. It can switch seamlessly among ammunition types, which delivers versatile targeting of air, land, and sea-based threats. The programmable 40 mm Bofors 3P ammunition provides the naval gun system with the highest possible combat flexibility, as it can be programmed in 6 different function modes to provide optimized effect. The proven 40 mm gun, together with the latest in munition technologies, forms a platform ready to meet both the expected and the unexpected. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.